Hello! Today we would like to demonstrate how you can post to the channel on Telegram. So first of all, let's go ahead and launch the app itself. Next, we want to open up the channel that we would like to post to, the channel that we have created, our own channel, or the channel, any public channel that we have the admin rights in. Once here, just tap on this field, and here you can, well, write in something that you would like to post, obviously. You can also post the voice messages, the video messages, attach some files, like for example, I'll attach this photo of our own HardReset logo. As you can see, it gets posted successfully. Or if you would like to, well, add some caption to it, before tapping on the send button, you are able to add some caption as well and send it after, or should I say, along the caption. You're also able to post both video and voice messages, just like so. And send silent notifications, or should I say, decide whether the subscribers, the participants of this public channel, will receive the post that you are sending as the silent notification or as the regular one. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.